For our big video challenge, we decided to create a video demonstration of what an engineer does and how their jobs will change in the next 10 years. First of all, what is an engineer? The Oxford Dictionary describes an engineer as a person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or structures. There are many different types of engineers. However, we still were not sure what an engineer does on a day-to-day basis, or how it will change using technology in the next 10 years and in the future. Instead of sitting in the classroom, scratching our heads, we decided to get in contact with a local market-leading engineering company and arrange a visit. For years, engineers have been using technology to adapt and overcome problems in the agricultural industry. Now we will describe how engineers at Fleming take raw materials such as steel and turn that into the most modern agricultural machinery. Fleming takes raw materials such as steel and begins manipulating the materials through the legs of large rollers and cutting machines. The next stage in manufacturing is the welding of the materials together. It is here where we see our first glimpse of how engineering is changing and many changes in the future, and may change in the future. Majority of the welding at Fleming's is completed by hand welders now through the use of robotic welding machines. Welds up to 8 meters a second and can be obtained. There are a few advantages of robots and this type of technology. The next stage of the production is where the product is sprayed. The steel is heated to 20 degrees so the paint dries quicker. There is a coat of primer added and then a coat of blue paint. The product is then assembled and all parts are added together. Once the stage is complete, the product is tested by local farmers. From this visit, we feel that engineering is constantly changing in the agricultural industry, and in the future, through the introduction of more modern computer-aided packages and robots, that there will be less hands in designing and manufacturing. So is the future robots?
Created using PowToon.